welcome to the mix. And on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is on and he is lashing out at Erica, you know, so go and catch the video, look and listen for the details, comment, like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. No, yeah, just listen to what he has to say.
Scallywag, the only vagabond, the only man on social media is none other than Angela Nicola Merchant the Shaver, aka Erica She. That is it. I have nothing more for you. Am I connected? I'm pretty sure I'm connected. Hold on. Porty, this is all I have for you. Then we go down and sit on the she. Go down and sit on the she.
Tablet $12,000 tablet are cheap little tablet for the poor of the poorest. When you buy something up, I hope she did dig too.
In a new piece of car.
Which part on this company? If I like Ivan. Rasta which part? I don't even know where I pump their blood plants. I want it to full up. I will side my pump the pan, I never know blood clots. What about my dogs? A long time I see you. Give me the elbow. Yo. Yeah, I say. Me there. Why? Change the ride. No, sir, them pretty buy a new ride, but right now me all look for your ass pump up, man, me no see.
Which pitney? Porty, which pitney? Which one? The one them that hate you? The ones them that hate you? Which pitney buy a new car? Stop stealing people's money to line your coffers. Porty, I know you're mad. I know you are mad that I listen, anytime you come for me, I'm only going to give you just this one response. You want it again? Here you go. Here you go, Porty. Listen keenly. Porty, listen keenly. That is Porty.
I know me never know which part on this company. If I like Ivan. Rasta which part? I don't even know where I pump their blood plants. I want it to full up. I will side my pump the pan, I never know blood clots. What about my dogs? A long time I see you. Give me the elbow. Yo. Yeah, I say. Me there. Why? Change the ride. No, sir, them pretty buy a new ride, but right now me all look for your ass pump up, man, me no see. You don't know what you want?
On it, Porty. My aftershave, Aventus Creed, £250. Let me I smell so good. £250. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. You can't chat to me now, lady. The only thief on social media is Angela Nicola Merchant the Shaver, who is using all of you who supports her to line her pockets with the money. Yeah, listen, Erica, you can't chat to me. Erica, me and you were not going down in it. All I'm gonna tell you is just this. Anytime you come for me, I'ma fling that on you. I'ma fling it out on you every time you come for me, every time. And I'm going to remind social that you, Erica, Angela Merchant the Shaver, is a damn thief. And people on social media are endorsing your thieving, Erica. People on social media are endorsed. Let me turn off this damn ring light. People on social media are endorsing your thieving, Erica. People on social media are endorsing your thieving. You understand? No gal or boy pie, no gal or boy on social media can stand me. Not even that Madhouse production Saloni. No gal or boy on social media, including you, Begisha, Erica Merchant, Angela Nicola Merchant the Shaver. You can't style me. Look how easy it was to find out your name. If only you knew. Listen, lady, I keep on telling you, leave me alone. Every opportunity you get, Every opportunity you get, you always try and tear me down. You can't tear me down because, darling, I'm not on here begging for a buck or two. Me, I'm not on here begging for a buck or two. So step to the side and continue to beg and be thankful. Be thankful for all of those people who are endorsing me. I won't call any right now, but you know their name. You know their name who is endorsing your thieving Erica Merchant, Angela Nicola Merchant, the shaver. You know you are the damn thief. The only thief at this present time. The only thief at this present time is Angela Nicola Merchant, the shaver. That is the only thief. And here is a reminder. Here is a reminder for you thieving lady. Here is a reminder. This is all I'm going to give you. This is all I'm going to give you.
Like Ivan. Rasta wish bad. I been even know where I pump their blood plants. Man, this is full of. I will side my pump the pan. I never know blood clots. I want my dogs. A long time I see you. Give me the elbows. Yo. Yeah, say. Me there. Why? Change the ride. No, sir, them Pitney buy a new ride. But
which Pitney? Which Pitney, Erica? Which Pitney? I want you to call your big mampy daughters. Meanwhile, you call your big mampy daughter and Bud and make them confirm on social media they bought you that Pro Box. Let them confirm it or shut the hell up. Because you, Erica, are stealing. You are the only person right now who is stealing, Erica. Erica, you are the only person right now who is stealing people's hard working money. And you and your dirty followers, listen, them people over there, them don't have no sense. I feel, listen, it's people like you will forever have people rob you. People like Erica will always rob you on social media because you don't know the value of money. You don't know the value of money. And most importantly, you have no better use for the money. And another thing, on the pocket hours are born no. Before you put on the money, before you put out your money and save it for your future, save it for your grandchildren's future, or even your children's future. Only look at idiot, only look at fool, sit on fire and give people like Porty on the money so she can save it for when Bud and John Gotti come back to Jamaica. Which part that makes sense? Which part that makes sense? Help me to understand. People like Olive Jagai, all the people that's helping Erica pass social media for thief or no. Not only that, only have big people on here you have big people on here with now nobody say that. On know on herself who is endorsing Erica with her teeth in. None on the pie. I'm gonna tell you one more time. None of you on here can stand me. No day. Most important, not even you, Saloni. Saloni, you can't stand me. Saloni, you can't stand me. Saloni, go and sit down. Slowly go and sit down. Understand? Understand so you. Do you understand so? Are you comprehending what I'm saying to you? Me and my discolored teeth, are you comprehending what I'm saying to you? Help me to understand. It's either yes or no, or maybe so. Which is it? Which is it?